Yogi has clarified on prime ministerial ambitions. Yogi Adityanath says, I was picked as Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister by the BJP. I am a yogi. Politics is not my full-time job. Time limit for me in politics. Yogi has spoken on the clamour for him to succeed Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
उत्तर प्रदेश का मुख्यमंत्री हूँ। यहाँ पे उत्तर प्रदेश की जनता के लिए पार्टी ने मुझे यहाँ लगाया है और राजनीति मेरे लिए एक फुल टाइम जॉब नहीं है। और ठीक है, इस समय हम यहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं वास्तव में हूँ तो एक योगी। तो ये हम लोग जिस समय तक हैं काम कर रहे हैं।
कब तक करेंगे इसी का?
है, इसका भी एक समय सीमा होगी।
आपने मेरे पिछले प्रश्न का उत्तर दे दिया कि ये फुल टाइम जॉब नहीं है मेरी।
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, इसलिए मैंने कहा।
I'm going straight across to Piyush. Piyush, in fact, Yogi Adityanath in a way has hinted at the fact that he's not got prime ministerial ambitions. Just talk to us about the inside track and what's really going on as far as these questions within the party are concerned, you know.
Well, there are multiple, voices those emerge from from within the party itself. In Uttar Pradesh, we have seen various BJP leaders have demanded that Yogi Adityanath should lead from the front and also should become the face of Prime Minister. And that is why this question has also come to the fore, where he was asked about his Prime Ministerial ambitions, where he has made it very clear that as of now he is going to fulfill his duty as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, as party has asked him to do so. And at the same time, Yogi has gone on to say that there is a limit to everything, because at the end of the day, he is a yogi. So he is not saying anything about his prime ministerial ambitions. But yes, there is a growing clamor within the party where multiple voices have emerged, where people have demanded that Yogi Adityanath should go to Delhi. A couple of days back, the BJP's own MLA, in front of Keshav Prasad Maurya, had said that Yogi should go to Delhi and Keshav Prasad Maurya should lead the party in Uttar Pradesh. So on that, on these voices those have come out, on that particular front, Yogi has responded saying that there is always a time limit to something, because at the end of the day, he is a yogi. But as of now, he has been given the responsibility of Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, which he is fulfilling.
Piyush, getting in those details as far as the clamour for Yogi to then succeed as be a successor rather to Prime Minister Modi is concerned, is clarified on what his political ambitions are.